Hello and welcome back. We're on the home stretch now and you're about to start your advanced Alchemy track to learn more about the advanced features and mature metrics. In this tutorial, we'll be diving into personal and individual benchmarking, as well as a handy SWOOP hack which will be great for coaching others. Let's start here in the personal dashboard for some personal benchmarking. Navigate to the benchmarking tab and let's start building out a list. Before we start, I want to mention that this feature is only available to SWOOP admins. Check out the third tutorial in this track to find out how to adjust SWOOP permissions so you can be an admin as well. Okay, let's create a list. Click on the plus button, give it a name. For this example, we're going to call it Senior Leadership Team. Now we can go in and search and select all the people we'd like to benchmark. If it's an extended list, then you can upload a CSV file of their email addresses here. Alright, let's click OK. The benchmark list will start to populate here and, well, benchmark them all. The personal benchmarking feature in SWOOP allows you to create a leaderboard of specific users as a powerful coaching tool to show what great collaboration looks like and what not so great collaboration looks like with real data within your own organization. We have all their raw stats here. You'll notice in these columns that we have a made and rec, which is shorthand for received. The personal benchmarking will show you the split between the activity types made by the user and received by the user. We find this helps with building a bigger picture on how the balance of interactions are happening. Our research found that when you give a reaction, you're 3 times as likely to receive a reaction back, so it's all about the balance. We also have their SWOOP personas listed here, so you can link the data with the behavior. If you'd like to learn more about SWOOP personas, jump on back to our Middle Mastery Track 2 to learn more about them. We also have this rank column that is linked to the SWOOP personas to show the level of activity. The aim of the activity ranking is to compare the user's own activity score with the activity levels of other users in the organization using a star rating system. The rank is based on each person's percentile, so a 5-star engager is fantastic. However, a 5-star broadcaster, which is a bit of a negative persona, is not so great. The SWOOP hack with this benchmark list is that you'll notice all the names are hyperlinked. Click into the name of the leader you're wanting to analyze more, or maybe you have a coaching session coming up with them and you'll be able to walk through their own personal dashboard with them, which you can see is indicated with this yellow banner here. Let's jump into the activity tab. You can check out what communities they're the most active in. You can flip the total column here to see what communities they are least active in as well. It'd be good to have a conversation about why they are in those communities and if they are adding or receiving any value from them. This flows into the multi-group participation report, which can be found in the collaboration tab. Let's jump in there now. The multi-group participation score indicates how much people participate in multiple communities. Being a member of a community without participating doesn't count towards this score. Only active participation counts, which is posting, replying, or reacting. The scores for this participation is seen on the screen here. If that score is quite low for an individual, then it's time to review the communities they are a member of. Are they relevant and interesting? Do they get value from them? Do they maybe need to join other communities or maybe even start their own? This will help them decide what communities they really want to focus on. Being active in 2 to 3 communities is quite achievable, but being active in 10 is very hard. In this tab, we also have the personal network map. This is an excellent report to show the reach that Viva Engage can have. The personal network map shows you how connected they are with other people through their interactions. The types of interactions included in this report are replied or reacted to other messages or mentioned them in posts. There are lines drawn between the leader, typically at the center of the map, and the other people they've interacted with. If the line is broken, like this, then it is a one-way relationship. If it is a normal line, then it's a two-way relationship. In two-way relationships, you have interacted with someone and they have also interacted with you. The frames around people are, by default, coloured by the business unit they belong to. Click on the plus sign in the top right of the map to see the legend. Now back on with more individual benchmarking features. The individual benchmarking feature in SWOOP allows you to see a leaderboard of users defined under a specific segment, topic, or community. This feature is also only available for SWOOP admins as well. Once you click in Show Results, SWOOP will automatically create the comparison of users. We have a lot of the same metrics from the other personal benchmark list, as well as more of the response time metrics. Individual benchmarking is a great way to present in-depth results to those who are a member of a particular segment or community, as well as those who have engaged with the topic. Many SWOOP admins share individual benchmarking results to empower people with data to become better collaborators. For individual benchmarking in the topics dashboard, this will provide a complete list of users who have engaged with the selected Viva Engage topic, hashtag, or keyword, from most engaged to least engaged. Individual benchmarking is a quick and easy way to find an extended list of influencers and highly engaged users who participated in your campaign. Well, that concludes our first tutorial in the Advanced Alchemy track. You are now fully equipped to benchmark individuals and take those learnings to build greater engagement. Our next tutorial will explore everything from content to collaboration of users. See you there!